Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to apply an automatic late fee in Buildium. For that, first you have to go to the Rentals tab. In that, you have to click the Rent Roll tab. In the Rent Roll page, you can see all the current tenants in your property. You can click which tenant you have to apply the late fee for. So I am clicking this tenant, so it will go to the tenant page. In the tenant page, you have to click the Financials tab. In that, you have to click the Payment Settings. In the payment setting, you have lot of options that you will do when the tenant moves to your property. Now when you scroll down, you can see the late fee policy. Click the edit here. The first one is the income account. You have to select the income amount type. So here are the two options, all current and future account, and second one is the specific account. If you click the specific account, you can see the lot of options here. The late fee income is here, or convenience fee, association fee income, like that. As of now, I am keeping all current and future account and just saving it. Then comes the late fee rules. When you click the edit here, you can see first one is the grace period. If you give the grace period, for example, for 5 days, it says that the late fee will be applied from 7th of every month. Then comes the frequency and amount. You have two options here. One is the one time fee or it's a daily fee. As of now, I'm giving it as a daily fee. If one time fee, we can give it as $100 or $150, like that. If it's a daily, the late fee will be applied to the outstanding balance. So as of now, I'm giving the daily. Then comes the fee type. Here are the three options. First one is the fixed amount, or it's the percentage of outstanding balance, percentage of recurring charges. If you give the fixed amount, here you have to give the amount that you are going to apply as a late fee. So I am giving as a $10. If you want to give it as a percentage of outstanding balance, you have to set a percentage of that. So as of now, I am giving it as a fixed amount of $10 and saving it. Then comes the limits and the fee handling. When you click edit here, you can see who is going to handle the late fee amount, and if the fee is applied for the central amount or the total outstanding balance, in case when we set the late fee, like that. As of now, I'm not going to do anything in that, so I'm just giving done. Then comes the communication part. Here when you click the edit button, you have the option that the Buildium will send automatically the email to the tenant notifying that the late fee is applied to the outstanding balance. So as of now, I am giving the yes option and I am clicking save. Finally, the statement to the applicant and the residents. The late fee policy can be changed or applied, should be visible on the resident page or applicant page. I keep this one as on so that they, whatever the changes we make here, the residents can able to see in their resident portal. So this is the summary of the settings we have made. The payment is due on 25th of the month, and a daily fee of $10 is charged starting on the 1st and continue until the month ends. Here the payment is due on 25th. So a grace period we have given for 5 days. So a fixed amount of $10 will be collected daily from the 1st of every month. So before saving this one, we have to click the automatic late fee option to on, and then we have to save this. So now the automatic late fee has been set up, and we now when we go to the ledger, the automatic late fee that we have set up will resume from tomorrow. Here, for example, we can even enter the late fee manually. For example, if I want to enter the late fee for today, I have to go to the enter charge here. Have to click the date for which the late fee I have to enter the amount of late fee. $10. And if you want to give any name for that, if you have any attachments, you can attach here. Otherwise, you can select the rent fee income line as late fee income. Then just give the save charge. Now you can see the late fee is applied to the fifth also. If you want to change anything or delete the late fee, here is the options for that. This is how we will set the late fee for a tenant automatically and in manually. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you for watching.